Hi there, it's Larissa from Erlkis, which stands for English Resource Lab, keeping it simple. I want to talk about in today, but before I do, I was just wondering what was in this box. What's inside the box? So we can say inside, but we can also say in. Now, my friend's baby loves to play with this box, and so she sticks things in the box. Okay, what's in the box? Interesting. My orange clip. Oh, we've even got a cotton bud. Yeah, cotton bud. What do we do with cotton buds? Well, many things. And we've even got dental floss. The baby's taken the dental floss. What's dental floss? Well, dental floss is like string, but it's for your teeth. So you take it and you go like that. You clean the gums of your teeth. Now, this has got nothing to do with in. So let's get on with talking about in the box. Now, I don't want to talk about in relation to all of its various uses. There are so many videos out there that really do such a great job. And I also have already 2 videos in my channel on prepositions. So I'm not going to compare in to anything else. What I'd like to do is to talk about 7 idioms that we use in English very regularly that all contain the preposition in. But before I introduce you to them, let's just do a quick recap in terms of reminding us what we do use in for. So we know that we use it for time and place. What did you do this morning? Well, in the morning, I like to eat breakfast. In Australia, it's spring. We are in spring right now. And we're almost in December. I wonder what I'll be doing in 2030. I'm wondering what I'll be doing in 5 minutes. So there are some examples when we use in for time. And of course we use it for place. I live in Smith Street. Last week I was in Melbourne. But I'd really love to be in Italy right now. I tell you what, it's hot. It's really hot in here. So there are some uses of using the preposition in when we talk about time and place. But now I want to introduce you to 7 common idioms that we use all the time in English. So why don't we get started? Here we have some waiters. The waiters are in trouble because the guests, everybody is arriving in about 5 minutes. So they need to work faster. The tables needed to be set. So now that they've set the tables, people have arrived, the function has started. One of the staff members, Janet, who is talking here with a couple of other colleagues, well, she doesn't really want to be here. She doesn't like socialising with work people. She likes to keep her work separate to her personal life. Janet is in a tight spot. She wants to leave the party, but she feels that she can't. So what does she do? Does she stay or does she go? Meanwhile, here is Jack. Jack is the head waiter. He isn't in trouble. He is in charge of the food and drink. Now, there's one staff member that's missing from the event. He isn't coming. Eric. Eric doesn't want to go because he doesn't have anything in common with his colleagues. He works there and he does a great job, but socially he doesn't enjoy being with staff. So he's a little bit like Janet. Poor John and Matilda. They're going to be in the red after this function because the function is costing a lot of money. However, Matilda feels that everything is under control because they are in the middle of refinancing. Refinancing simply means that they're going to the bank, a new bank, and getting a different loan to pay for their business. So they're going to a different institution to get a better loan, a better deal, better interest rates. Now, because Matilda is the one who's talking to the bank, she feels very confident that their new loan is all going to go through. So she basically feels that the loan is in the bag. So now let's look at each one of these phrases, these idioms individually, so that we know that in trouble simply means not good. The situation isn't good and you're simply going to be in trouble. But we always use in with trouble. So we don't say at trouble, we don't say on trouble, we say in trouble. In a tight spot means that you're in an awkward position. You don't know what to do because there's more than one decision that you could be making and you're not sure which decision to make. To be in charge is to be a supervisor, a boss. In common with. This simply means, do you have the same interests as the person with whom you are talking? So it means to be in common with means that you have something that you can talk about with somebody else. You have similar interests. To be in the red is a business idiom that means owing a lot of money. And to be in the middle of means that physically you could be in the middle of a group, you could be in the middle of a shopping centre, but you could also be in the middle of a process. So John and Matilda are in the middle of refinancing. They are in the middle of a process. And in the bag is another idiom that means we're pretty sure that the answer is going to be yes. So whatever the situation is, it's going to happen. It's going to be a positive outcome. Well, I think I'll take my hair clip out. I hope you enjoyed those 7 idioms. If you would like to see more videos, learn more idioms that we use with prepositions, not just in, but I'm going to do videos obviously with on, at, and many other prepositions, but talking more about lots of idioms and collocations. So if you're looking forward to something like that, then definitely hit subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell because I have, as always, new videos coming up on a regular basis. On that note, have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. I'm Larissa. Bye for now.